Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to report errors or suggested improvements to mapping data in OS Map. Now, reporting errors or suggested improvement to mapping data in OS Map is an important way to contribute to the accuracy and reliability of the platform. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go ahead and log into your OS Map account, and when you're logged in, it's going to directly take you to the home page. So while you're on the home page, you can go and tap the question mark icon from the top right hand side corner, and when you do that, here you can go and select this option as contact, or if you wish to give a suggestion, then you can go to feedback, or if you wish to report a problem, then you can go to contact us. When you do that, it's going to directly take you to the web page. Follow the instruction, provide the detail about the issues or improvement suggestions. Now include as much information as possible to assist the support team in addressing the matter. So now you can go ahead and submit your feedback through the app itself. So that is how you can report errors or suggestion improvement to mapping data in OS Map. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.